Tofu is awesome to use in plant-based cooking because it's cheap and it's versatile. Plus, it's a complete source of plant-based protein and it's very low in calories. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make a plant-based version of feta cheese using tofu. Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX. Today we're going to be using an extra firm tofu. This is the best for savory recipes. It's the most compact and it's going to have like the most chewy texture. So the first step is we just want to drain our tofu. So you will do that either using a tofu press, or if you don't have one, simply wrap your tofu in paper towel or a clean dishcloth and then place something heavy on top of it and let it sit for about 10 minutes. You just want to make sure that all the liquid has drained from the tofu. So after about 10 to 20 minutes, we're just going to remove the damp towel and get ready to cut it. So cut it into nice cubes. So next up is we want to make our marinade. So we're going to start off by adding in 1/4 of a cup lemon juice, 1/4 of a cup white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. It's got a really cheesy flavor to it. 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. Next, we're gonna crush in 1 clove of fresh garlic. Then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of oregano. And oregano is great to use with feta cheese because it's a very common herb used in Mediterranean cooking. We're gonna throw in around 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. We'll just do a quick little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And then we're just gonna whisk everything together. So once we've whisked our marinade all together, we're gonna go ahead and just place it on our tofu. We just want to give it a nice little stir around and just make sure that every piece of tofu gets a little bit of the marinade on it. Then you just want to make sure that you cover it in an airtight container, or in this case, I'm just using some plastic wrap. And then you just want to let your tofu marinate overnight in the fridge. So once we've let our tofu marinate overnight, we're ready to enjoy it. So I've got the finished product here. And this tofu feta lasts for about 2 to 3 days covered in the fridge. And it's great for use on top of salads or in wraps. And I even sometimes like to use it with charcuterie boards. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next week.